Okay, so the head we're going to be drawing is on the dedication page at the very front of the Loomis book. This head has a slight up tilt, so I'm going to use the Loomis method to help me deal with the perspective. I'll start with a circle. Add in the slightly tilted center line, and mark out the brow, nose, and chin line. Because the head is tilted up, the bottom of the face will be closer to us and appear larger. So the chin area will be slightly larger than the nose area. Then I'll mark out the ears and begin adding in the features. I'll use a small circle to construct the tip of the nose. And I'll use a rhythm line to connect the two eyes and make sure that they are at a proper angle relative to each other. The mouth will have a slight smirk on it. Now I'll refine the contour of the face and draw in the ears. Make any small adjustments and clean up the lines. Just for the fun of it, let's add in some rough shading. I'll imagine the light source is coming from the top left, so the shadow will fall on the lower right side of the face. There's going to be a cast shadow created by the nose. Cast shadows are awesome for showing dimension. And I'll darken the core shadow to create some variation within the shadow area. In general, variations in value or line weight will help your drawing look a lot more interesting. And lastly, I'll use a darker 4B pencil to add a thick border around the edge. And we're all done. If you want to learn more about portrait drawing, check out my Portrait Fundamentals course. It's a very beginner-friendly course that walks you through all the basics of portraiture, from constructing a basic head, facial proportions, drawing the features, and finally drawing a realistic portrait step by step. You can learn more about it by going to mydrawingtutorials.com/portrait or clicking on the image on the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy drawing.